The Canon EOS R7 has been one of the most talked about mirrorless cameras of the last few years, and in 2025, it's still going strong. But here's the question every creator is asking right now. After spending time testing this camera in the real world, I can tell you, the R7 is still an absolute powerhouse. From its insanely accurate autofocus and 32.5 MP sensor, to beautiful 4K video and rock-solid stabilization, this thing delivers pro-level results in a compact body. But with leaks hinting at an AI-powered Digic 12 processor, 6K recording, and next-gen autofocus on the upcoming R7 Mark II, the decision isn't so simple. So in this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know: design, performance, image quality, video features, and whether it's still worth your money in 2025. Or if you should wait for what's coming next. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is your complete Canon EOS R7 2025 review, and trust me, the results might surprise you. The Canon EOS R7 has been one of Canon's most popular APS-C mirrorless cameras since its launch, and in 2025, it still stands as one of the best all-round options for hybrid creators. But with growing rumors about a potential Canon EOS R7 Mark II, many photographers are asking, should you buy the R7 now, or wait for the next version? After spending extensive time with the camera in 2025, here's a complete design and build quality. Canon has always excelled at balancing ergonomics with functionality, and the R7 continues that legacy beautifully. The magnesium alloy frame feels solid yet lightweight, perfect for travel and on-location shooting. The grip is deep and comfortable, making it feel more like a full-frame camera than a compact APS-C model. Even after long sessions of handheld shooting, it never feels fatiguing. Canon's control layout remains intuitive. Dual control dials, a responsive joystick, and that brilliant vari-angle touchscreen make navigation smooth and efficient. In 2025, the R7 still looks modern and premium. Canon's weather sealing holds up exceptionally well, giving photographers the confidence to shoot in rain, dust, or cold environments without hesitation. Compared to newer rivals like the Fujifilm X-T5 or Sony A6700, the Canon R7 still feels competitive in hand and offers a more DSLR-like experience, which many professionals appreciate. The R7's 3-inch fully articulating LCD remains one of its biggest strengths for vloggers and hybrid shooters. The color accuracy and brightness are fantastic, especially outdoors. The 2.36 EVF, while not groundbreaking, still provides sharp visuals and minimal lag, making it perfectly usable for tracking fast subjects. However, as 2025 brings more high-refresh EVFs to the market, some users might feel Canon's display tech is starting to show its age. If the rumored R7 Mark II arrives, we can expect a higher resolution EVF and possibly an OLED display upgrade, which could be worth waiting for if those improvements matter to you. Here's where the Canon EOS R7 continues to shine. The camera's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is incredibly fast and reliable, even by 2025 standards. Whether you're shooting wildlife, sports, or portraits, the R7 locks onto subjects with impressive precision. Eye, face, and animal detection modes work flawlessly, and the tracking feels confident, rarely losing focus once locked in. Powered by the Digic X processor, the R7 offers